Hey guys, here's a video for number 7. So in this one we have the prices of plants and we have to choose the best measure of center and find that measure of center. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my numbers in least to greatest order. So I have the numbers in least to greatest order because that's going to make it easier to find the extreme value. So first off, let's eliminate one of these. Now you only choose the mode if most numbers are the mode. So the mode in this case is 10 because there are 3 10s. But is that most of the numbers? No. So we are going to eliminate mode right now. So it's between mean and median. The question is, are there extreme values or not? So when I look at the numbers, I notice that most of the numbers here are between 8 and 25. Now think of that, they're only 17 apart from 8 to 25. But then there's this big gap in between 25 and 48. So just from 25 to 48, they're 23 apart. So that 48 is an extreme value. So the measure of center that best represents the data is the median. And when we find that measure of center, we're going to find the middle number. So we have little, big, little, big, little, big, little, big, 2 in the middle. And the middle of 10 and 14 is 12. So 12 is the median, and the median would be the best measure of center. All right, thanks for watching, guys.